Today, let us start with exercise 13G, mensuration. We have to find the surface area of a sphere whose radius are given to be 10.5 cm, 5 cm. We know the sphere, it is round. Okay, so the surface area, it will be, because sphere is like a ball, so it will be 4 times the surface area, the area of a circle. So that means 4 pi r square. Radius we know, so that means we can apply directly the formula. Radius of sphere is already given to be 10.5 cm. We can take that small r. We want to find the total surface area. We know the formula to be 4 pi r square. Now we can use it directly. So 4, we know it is equal. Let it be same. Pi, we know 22 by 7. R already given 10.5. Here we have r square. So that means we can write it 2 times. Easy for calculation. Then here you see 7 and this one we can cancel. So after you divide 10.5 with 7, we get 1.5. So you multiply them all. Whatever we get, that will be the answer. Here we have 1, 2 number after decimal. After you multiply, you can count 2 places and write the decimals. So since it is the area, it will be centimeter square, because radius we have square. So the unit also will be square. Similarly, you can do number 2 yourself. Okay, number 1, 2. Then here we have find the surface area of a sphere of diameter. Now instead of radius, they give us diameter. So the first one, the diameter is 14 cm. The second one is 21 cm. So we know in one diameter there are 2 radius. So that means when they give us a diameter, if we want radius, we need to break it into radius. We need to break diameter into 2. So here, if the diameter is 14, radius will be 14 divided by 2. So that means radius will be 7 cm. Then here, if the diameter is 21, the radius will be 10.5 cm. So we have the diameter, you convert it to radius. Then after that, because we know the surface area of a sphere, we can apply it. The formula for the surface area of sphere, we know 4 pi r square. 4 we know the value, so let it remain 4. Pi we know the value to be 22 by 7. Diameter, after we convert it to radius, it become, since we have 7, since we have r square, we can put it 2 times. Then here 7, 7 we can cancel. In order to get answer, you can multiply all. And at the same time, don't forget to write the unit centimeter square. The same way, you please try number 2 to yourself. Then next, number 3. They give us the radius to be 10 centimeter. We have to calculate the curved surface area and as well as the total surface area. In this case, they advise us to use pi equal 3.14. But even if you use that 22 by 7 also, there is no problem. Okay, we know the radius. We know the formula for curved surface area. We know the formula for total surface area. So let's do it. What is the shape here? The shape here is hemisphere. Hemisphere, remember, if we cut the sphere into half, it will take the shape of a bowl. That will be the hemisphere. So for the curved surface area, we consider only this one. It will be half that of a sphere. That means it will be only 2 pi r square. But if we want the total surface area, we have to take this curved one along with this top. This top we have it as the circle. So that means 2 pi r square plus pi r square. That means we will have 3 pi r square. So for the curved surface area, we will use formula 2 pi r square. For the total surface area, we will use 3 pi r square. But r we already know to be 10 cm. So let's use it. Okay. So the curved surface, we know 2 pi r. So 2 let it be. Pi already set by the question. We can use 3.14. R, 10 into 10. So you multiply, you'll get the answer. And then the total surface area, we have 3 pi r. 3 remain. Pi, we know 2.14. R, we have 10. Because square, we can write 10 into 10. You multiply it. You can put 2 number after decimal. You'll get the answer. Then next question number 4. They give us the surface area again of a sphere to be 5544 cm square. We have to find the diameter. We have the surface area. We know the formula. So we can use that one. No problem. Then we know the surface area formula to be 4 pi r square. R we don't know. So let's find it. We have 4 instead of pi. We can write 22 by 7. R we don't know. Let it be like that. We want r. So this whatever we have here, we can transfer the other side. Here we have divide. If we transfer this side, it will become multiply. This 2 multiply. If I transfer this side, it will become divide. So here we can cancel. Okay. With here you can do with 11. With 22 you divide directly here. Divide yourself. You'll get 4252. Again we divide with 4. We get 63. Now our aim is to get r first. But here r we have square. So we don't want square. We want only r. You can put square root this side. Split 63. 9 into 7. So 9 we can write 3 into 3. So we have 2, 3. We can take out 1 because square root. We have 2, 7. We can take out 1. So 7 into 3. Radius will be 21 cm. So now you get the radius. You can find out the diameter. And remember, in one diameter, there are 2 radius. So 21 multiplied by 2. It is 42 cm. So that means the diameter of the sphere equal to 42 cm.